Alright, this is BusyHands94. I'm going to be doing a video on my everyday carry. Okay, so first of all is a wallet. You know, sometimes I have cash, sometimes I don't. Right now I do. Inside, it's the Trojan Magnum Extra Large Condom. No, I'm just kidding. Wallet knife. Made it out of a hacksaw blade. Very sharp. This is just in case I don't have a knife on me, which is like rare, but it may happen. I mean, it's hella rare, but it may happen. So we got the wallet. Second off, I carry a knife on me. This is the Krager Italian stiletto. Not really Italian, but still is good knife. I mean, this knife's been with me through thick and thin. Got good guards on it. Nice edge. The bolsters can be used as a hammer. I've done that before with a different knife. You know, it locks using this little pin lock thing, like some switchblades do. And third of all, just a cell phone. You know, I usually get like, you know, reception and stuff. You know, it's just pretty good phone. I've dropped it many times, and the camera stopped working though, because the lens got scratched up. But it's a tough phone. Alright, fourth thing. Mints. It's like, here. See, wait for the camera to, I don't know if this can do macro, but if you can read that, it says ice drops. It's like a weird liquid breath mint. You know, usually I have bad breath, despite brushing my teeth. It really sucks. And then my keys. This was a pocket clip I took off an old knife. You know, didn't really suit my taste. This is a gun rack key. My gun rack's got a little drawer underneath for ammo that's in there. Another knife. Pretty sharp little guy. Maybe tiny, but it's got a great edge on it. Plus it could be used defensively, not in a killing sort of way, but in a scratching sort of way. Plus it's got a point, so great, very useful. Where was I? I got my house key. And this here key for my bike, and you know, just the lock on it. I don't have a motorcycle, but, and then the key for my knife box. It's got a lock on it. I just put that on there so no little kids could get into it. And well, some optional items. You know, depends where I'm going, but I have a flashlight. Very bright, like a little miniature sun. Got a little pocket clip on there. This thing turns it on. You know, this is optional. If I'm going somewhere dangerous neighborhood, maybe a small knuckle duster. Really depends. And you know, other knives like this. So yeah, these are the purely optional items. Just defensive, and this one for like flashlight needing situations. But other than that, that's pretty much my everyday carry.